Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Google Photos and we're taking a look at Google Lens. So to the left of the trash can, you can go ahead and select the lens. Give it just a couple seconds and you can see where you can select parts of the image. You could tap, drag, and resize to select a specific area. What I'm going to do here though is I'm going to copy all the text that's on here. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. And what I can do, I could copy that text and place that wherever I'd like to, in a Google Doc, in a message, whatever you'd like to. You could also go ahead and translate it. So this would be great for students. Very quickly and easily, you could go ahead and translate it very quickly and easily. And if you like, you could also share it. So there you go. That is Google Lens built directly into Google Photos. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.